They're the bestest metal cars you've ever seen. Mattel's new Hot Wheels. Collect them by themselves or get them in wild new action sets, like the Drag Race action set, the Stunt action set, the Hot Curves race action set. Get Mattel's new Hot Wheels. The fastest metal cars you've ever seen.
Hi guys, this is Bill from Spencer1984.com with a new project and the first in a series of builds recreating the Hot Wheels Original 16. I'm going to be starting out with the Silhouette show car here, figuring that since it was the first one that they showed in the commercial, it's as good a place to start as any. So this kit first came out in 1964, has been repopped a whole bunch of times. This one here is the 2001 release with the red stripe on the box art. Got some basic photos here. Doesn't have the fancy box art that we've seen on both older and newer kits. Taking a look inside, what we got here. The first thing we've got here is the top of the body. Generally looks fairly clean. Nothing too major that I see going on with it. We've also got some bits for the trailer, the firewall, and the instrument pod there. Got the bottom of the body, which is all one piece. Not really sure how that's going to work. I've got the interior tub here with cast-in seats. Got the engine surround with radiator cast in. Got the optional front fenders here. Got actually a pretty nice looking steering wheel there. Actually fairly delicate. And then the panels for the front of the car. Got some more bits for the trailer as well as the trunk lid. Got the two engine halves, the optional headrest pieces, the rear axle, and it does include a separate frame. Got the front suspension cast into it, not too bad though. Seat belts and a battery. Got some more engine components here, including the heads, front covers. Got two different intake options, one for the supercharger, one for the dual carbs. And we've got a bag full of tires here. 4 of these are for the Silhouette itself, and then we've got 2 more for the trailer. We've got Firestone Skinnies plus some wide ones. We've got the tail lights as well as some accent pieces for the front fenders. We've got the front and rear canopies along with a shortened racing windshield. We've got the first of the chrome trees here. It's got the 5 slot wheels. It's got some thinned brakes. Got some spoked wheels. Bunch of ornamentation, kind of nice looking side pipes there. Bunch of engine detail accessories, license plate, and on the second chrome tree we've got the rest of the wheels, the upper part of the front suspension, a couple of nice little name badges for the sides of the trailer here. We've got the little Silhouette scripts there. We've got some pretty decent looking spoked wheels. There's a little bit of flash in there that would need to be cleaned out, but not bad looking. Got the front grille there, some more trim pieces, front suspension. And moving on to the trailer, we've got the 2 main halves of it, and the bottom actually has a little bit of tread plate in there, as well as the cutouts for the tires, so that's not bad looking. We've also got the front and rear canopies for the trailer. Now, I'm not going to be using anything of the trailer, but I am going to be holding on to these because they'll make some interesting projects later. The instructions are really basic, just the standard AMT fold out. Got the exploded diagrams showing you how everything needs to go together. And as usual, a little bit vague. Got a lot of arrows here pointing at stuff, going to stuff, rather than where it's supposed to be located. But shouldn't be too bad. And so, I'm going to be building this mostly out of the box. I will be making some modifications. I don't like the way that body is split, so I got a feeling I'm going to be cutting that apart and gluing it back together differently. Also going to be doing a few modifications to try to bring it closer to the look of the Hot Wheels car. Going to have to add some fenders here over the top of the front wheels. Going to have to fill in the front there, but shouldn't be too bad. So I am going to get to work on this. I will have another update for it next week, so check back then, and thanks for watching.